Good morning, children. Now let us see exercise number 6.3. Group the following and write the division form for each. Children, here they have given the pictures. Total X, how many are there? 16. And in each group, how many are there? 4. Okay. Now this sum, how to solve? They have already given the answer. Number of groups are 4. Therefore, 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. They have given directly. Now here, I will tell you how to write. See children, whenever you do the division sum, in middle, you have to write a bigger number. So 4, 16, 4. Which is a bigger number? 16. So I have taken it in middle. Okay. So this is 16. 4. In 4 tables, when 16 will come, that we have to see. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, and 4 fours are 16. Okay. So 4 fours are 16. I have already told you division is repeated subtraction. So we have to put here minus sign. This 16 is dividend, 4 is divisor, and this 4 is quotient. And now let us see the remainder. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the answer? 4. Okay, this is the answer. Now, total apples 30. Okay. Apples in each group, how many are there? 6. So number of groups. See how many groups are there? That we will find out. Because here they have given directly. So this dividend will be always a big number. So I have written this 30 in middle. And this 6 I have written to your left hand side. So now what is my first work is to read out the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Okay children, 6 fives are 30. So subtraction sign. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So how many number of groups are there? 5. Let us check out in this picture. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups? 5. So our answer is correct. Now how to write this? First you take dividend, that is big number, divided by this divisor equals to answer, that is quotient. Okay. Now total pots, how many are there? 9. Okay. How many in a group? 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we have to find out number of groups. So 9 is dividend, I have taken in between. 3 is divisor. So first work is to read out the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So what is the answer? 3. How to write this? First take the dividend 9, then this 3, then equals to 3. See here. How many? First group, second group, third group. 3 groups. Now next question. Total candles 40. Candles in each group. See children here. How many candles are there? 40 are there. And how many in a group? Each group means one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will find out how many groups are there. So as I told you, 40 is dividend, so we have to take it in between, and this is 5 is divisor. First work is to read out the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. I have told you to write this minus sign. Okay. So 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So what is the answer? 8. How to write this? First is dividend 40, then divisor 5, then what is the answer? 8. Now, total tops 18, tops in each group. In each group, how many tops are there? Only 2. So now how many number of groups are there? Let us find out. Okay. So 18 I have taken here, 2 is here. So first work is to read out the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. So what is the answer? 9. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So write here number of groups how many? 9. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How to write this? 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. Now, this is another main, okay, second main, but I have continued. So, same thing you can do, okay. Here just you see, write the division form using the multiplication table. 16 girls are there, 2 in each group, 1 and 2. It's already done. How many teams are there? So, how many teams are there totally? 2 8s are 16. Okay, 6 minus 6, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what is the answer? 8 teams. Here they have written how many teams. So, you have to write this 8 and teams. Now, let us see the second one. 18 trees are there in each team. How many trees are there? 18 trees are there in 3 rows. How many trees are there in each row? Let us find out. Okay. See here. First, 18 is a dividend. So, we will write 18 here. Divisor is 3. 3 table we will read out. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. So 6 are 18. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So here how many trees? 6 trees. How to write this? 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. Yes. 36 toffees are there. 4 for each. How many boys are there? Okay. Here you can see clearly. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for each boy. So how many boys are there? Let us find out. So what is the dividend? 36. Okay. Then next is 4. We will read out the 4 ones are table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36, and second step is writing the minus symbol. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. So what is the answer? 9. So how many boys? 9 boys. And here how to write? 36 divided by 4 equals to 9. Fourth one, 10 pieces of bread are there, 2 pieces in each sandwich. How many sandwiches can be prepared? Yes, children. So what we have to do is, first let us take 10 and 2 pieces. So read out the table 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So write minus symbol. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So here what they have asked? Sandwiches. So how many sandwiches we can prepare? 5. So write your 5 sandwiches. Okay. And 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. Now 64 soldiers are there, 8 in each row. How many rows are there? This is the question. So now first what we have to do is 64 dividend we have to take, and 8 we have to write here. So we have to read the 8 ones are table. 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. 64 minus sign. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So what is the answer? 8 rows. How to write this? 64 divided by 8 equals to 8. Now let